Yes, welcome once again. The matter don't reach. Then say Liverpool use Manchester United goals. They do Salah. Oh God, have mercy. Welcome again, Eurobolians. Like this, the another arrange you don't carry come for this week. We'll look at everything we happen for the weekend and also during the week. All the things them we transpire. Oh, you I speak just now. And Moku Shapali enter the matter. Start from the one we happen over the weekend. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. People don't they talk say one thing, make them give and time. Sexy Joe. He got time. He got 90 minutes and he got pummeled by Liverpool.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
Oh, really?
Say them Popo him and the team 5 condono mean say make them just sharply sack him like that. Make them still give him more time. You understand? This game where they play which day? They're just 9 games. Allow me, make I talk. No, I not talk to make them sack him. I not talk to make them sack him. I still stand by waiting. I tell you, say now the players be the issue. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. I know if you say these guys won't play for him.
Okay.
Because if you check for a number of games now, they don't they struggle. They come. Despite the fact say they get goats for their middle, they still they struggle. They come.
They do Salah.
Even though say pay me for Manchester United, but the truth is this one an eye opener. Whether they like them or not. Now how bad their waka done this season? Now in the reflection, now they see so against Liverpool. Liverpool exposed them. Liverpool showed them say something they wrong for that team. The players no one play. Not be matter of saying na Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Yes, in get your own fault, but likewise the players as well. They say get their own fault because players as I still they talker where then they pay week in week out big bogri like this. Una no fit string passes go score. Now be say wahala day. Make them no blame Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. He's only doing him work where they call her to come do.
Buchi, no blame Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. No blame Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Now waiting sexy you don't talk since last week. But the truth of the matter be say the players them when still bring they no perform. He bring in Pogba collect red card. Now the truth of the matter be say definitely you know if you sack all the 11 players. You know if you even sack 5 players right now. The coach they use tactics. In tactics be like you know they work. Buchi. What is the next solution for Manchester United?
They use?
That's the question.
See, on a good day, that's what football they be from day one. You can't sack a team. That's now why you as a manager give you all the power
to do what you want to do.
What you want to do, then give you the freedom to express yourself. If you don't express yourself, you turn to Tommy Lambridge. Now what you turn social right now. See, I like him. Me as an opposing person, I want him to stay to do the devilish
so that the banter can continue.
Yes, but as a football fan. We don't look well. I think on a good day, if I be the United owners, supposed to come the next day if they did very serious. Like which time again they won't give social? I could be very, very honest. Like what social won't do we never do before. I won't take in never did this kind of situation before. That's now why you need manager who get plenty experience. We don't go to the up and go to the down. Social never sit down. The down ones now can't
No, he has always seen down all his life.
Exactly. So he never did the experience to date down and carry team come back up. And now don't be say you get team of stars. It did very hard.
That is where you go check and say something is wrong somewhere.
Calm down.
And if you look at where you see they get we talk to them play like children. People don't talk to them, they play anything. These players indirectly they throw some indirectly
to the
they
manager.
Throw to the manager. Whether we like them or not, we don't see this thing happen for different leagues. Solskjaer is a Manchester United man, but he's not a qualified coach. If they want to do DNA, while I go there, the team goes come, then they go down. Solskjaer don't do worse than Louis van Gaal, Mourinho join together, honestly. Like, don't read finals, don't lose. Right now, they lose for house 5-0 against Liverpool. If you lose, say Liverpool get chance, it's good. Like, total domination for a United club.
They scatter their life.
See, and it's better for the owners of United. I see them get ambition.
They know they take action.
Like, see, Conte they Babic. No, Babic.
Oh.
Nigeria in there.
No, Nigeria.
Babic, they chill.
Oh, you see him?
Yes, see that they caught there.
Oh.
They chill. And just go sign coaches and stop United from this. They are I feel for them yesterday. See Sir Alex Ferguson. No that final against Barcelona when hand they shake.
Yeah.
That head can they shake now. Like this man is going through trauma.
Child.
Keep them hope. Sorry.
The fact remains, say even if they bring Conte come, Conte no go work with most of these guys.
Why?
Because they're not ready to play.
Says who?
Who the people like
They don't give you everything we be say you need. It's not all about the money. Forget to
Sexy
say
Joe,
fans, they pay money.
Make I ask you one question.
Ask me.
Make you answer
Ask me.
with all honesty.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Sexy or bias.
The question now, I say,
Guinea
the
women's
players know they perform, Abi.
Yes.
So she make the Glazers sack all the players who know they perform.
Only
No
Fisher.
be say make them sack all the players.
So what make them do now?
For the fact say some bad eggs they there.
Who be the
Who
bad?
be the bad eggs?
You
Name them. Name
E.g.
them.
Pogba.
One.
Make them allow and go. You
One.
don't say for the past 2 seasons
Pogba
now.
no start that
Tell them
match,
say, yes, he don't start
They
that
don't
match.
chop 4
But as a
goals.
professional, una dey 4 goals down.
Sexy
You
Joe.
come inside, come cause problem.
9 cause the 4 goals.
No because the 4 goals, but it's better you
So
tell your
Pogba-
coach say you no go play
Pogba
than to
number
come
one.
add join the misery where they
Pogba
don't
number
already
one,
dey
Pogba number
inside.
1. Who be number 2?
Harry Maguire, I no see wetin he dey there they do.
Number 3.
Another person wey be say I go talk say
Call
make them
Ronaldo now,
fight.
many work finish.
Exactly.
Why you go call
Call
Ronaldo?
Ronaldo
now.
Why you go call Ronaldo?
Ronaldo kick person
Why
yesterday.
you go
now.
call Ronaldo? So
Ronaldo kick
therefore,
person.
so there, he kick person, abi he kick person.
He
Which
kick
one?
person.
He kick person.
Yeah.
He no kick person.
Nah.
So why I go call am?
No.
So
Only
call
kick
him.
person
He
now.
himself now.
So therefore,
Why go they score outside
no
goal?
Liam be the level man wey dey for this
Wait,
team.
Thank you very much.
She argue with you.
No mind that. I go give
Why no go argue with you?
You don't forget.
No agree with everything.
Last year.
Let me respect myself.
Sexy call 2 players. Call Pogba. The same Pogba go leave United, go France.
go perform.
Now they
Perform.
talk.
No, chill now.
Wetin make I no dey
Chill,
perform for
chill.
United? The place where they pay you
Relax,
every week.
Relax.
Relax wetin?
Relax.
Chillax.
No, I know,
Buy the lies that
I
take
know they,
chillax.
I know like I be gentleman to they look me. I know they do crack, crack.
You be who?
The same Pogba go France, go perform well. He play other way they win the Nations League. Right there. They say they perform well for Man United, but at least some kind of time in they perform well.
Yeah.
The same man the way you talk, Captain England, then go Euro finals. The same
The
man
same Harry Maguire dey there Kelechi Kolebo for a hand go score
you know be
against
Kelechi,
the
you know be
United.
Kelechi.
Not before
You know
today
be
shop.
Kelechi.
Why only start
You know
out for the
Kelechi.
second match?
Why you no go start am?
Why?
You know they collect salary.
Oh, so now you
You know they collect salary.
Sexy.
You like-
He who collect salary must work for
Thank
am.
you.
Sexy,
You
I
be
don't
like,
know
why
only gonna associate they give you part
He's a
payment
fantastic
from
man.
in salary.
If he's being held accountable, make them
Moving
also
on.
hold the players
Moving on.
accountable.
Are you
moving
being
on.
sarcastic?
Moving
Are
on.
you
Thank you
honest?
guys. And
Something like
Buki, the top 3 clubs where they show their own Sabines, they don't they at least distance themselves from the boys them when they won't get points, the likes of Manchester United and the rest, Arsenal in view.
Arsenal do it. They follow well.
No, Arsenal in view. They separate themselves now. Chelsea, Liverpool,
Arsenal 13.
and Manchester City. These 3 guys, Buchi, then they 21. Chelsea did 22 points, Liverpool did 21 points, and Manchester City did 20 points. You want to say these 3 guys or these 3 clubs, now they show us the sabiness of waiting this season mean to win Colombia this title.
That now why they talk about manager. We don't go down, we go come up. See Liverpool last season, Jurgen Klopp, like in the place of Griezmann. But this season right now, it don't show say with who we by Konate. You go look ten as still the score last season with Van Dijk. We don't come back. They see they do well. Now manager we don't see up, don't see down. Fikari in team go up and down. Klopp, you see Chelsea, Tuchel too do well last season. Don't use tie get some bad results, but they come back. Their last game, where them use tie do, then get luck, win against Brentford. The guy bad and say no like the performance. They're going to win 7-0 without your 2 strikers.
Man marrying.
See, no matter the kind of team where you play, if you score 7 goals in one match, guy, give the coach the honor. You know, easy. 7 goals.
The same Buchi go come tomorrow. I just want to
Let
talk
her finish, you go talk.
The same you go come tomorrow.
Stop my glory.
All right, talk finish now.
You
That's
enter
something
City
to
right
say.
now, where our own Pep Guardiola, our Lord and personal Savior,
Uh-huh.
Jesus, from striker to winger, he they convert
And they
our.
perform.
You know, he they convert. I don't know why they convert them. I don't know why, but they perform well. Get good squad, then they do everything together. So these now 3 teams. We get 3 coaches who sabi manage players. 3 coaches that are respected. They enter the rest of the time. I don't know what they do there. They Arsenal, no leave them. They don't even
Mikel
count.
Arteta at least they win over the week. For me, they win. That's the joy. They beat Aston Villa 3-1.
The only Arsenal game me like here's
Thomas
Arsenal
Partey
struggle.
scored first goal.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow, header. You go see next game.
Moving on to
Next game go lose.
the El Clasico, the big game will happen over for inside Spain. Yes, they thought say El Clasico without Ronaldo and Messi. Say that will not be classic again.
They're dead.
Say not just for
They're dead.
boys.
Omo boys, yeah.
But Sexy Joe, Ronald Koeman, the news what they hear from inside Barcelona, are saying a stoning car. Fans really,
Asin.
then they very, very irate, they vex, they para for Ronald Koeman, say he no perform, he lose. But this thing not be Ronald Koeman fault because for the life of me, last season, home and away, Real Madrid still beat Barcelona. So who the fans supposed
Oh,
to
una dey make excuse there for Ronald Koeman. What is the difference between Ronald Koeman and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer now?
because Ronald
No,
Ronald
I dey ask you, Nanyuku.
Ronald Koeman no be fault with this one.
Ah,
Yes, but they
oh.
throw the question at you now. Say
Oh.
whose fault is it? Say that they lose for house to
Look,
Real Madrid.
I dey always talk am, and I go still stand by wetin I talk. Wetin don spoil. So make Barcelona just calm down. E go take them another 2 to 3 years to begin get themselves back from wetin don happen. You see player for 21 years, you carry squad, dey build around and dey work for you, you dey win. Now everything don scatter. Una come begin dey find who dem go heap the blame on top. No be Ronald Koeman fan, and make the fans too understand wetin dey on ground. Na the building process na Barcelona dey o. Na small boys. Imagine number 10 shirt ke onye nyere ya. Ansu Fati.
A good player.
Now them give. Yes, now they talk now. But you no reach that level. You no get that. He never reach that potential. Now young player, he get plenty years ahead of him.
Thank you.
But now to take
Time.
give them time. Give them time. All this Pedri. Now to give them time.
Thank you.
See, like I dey talk always about Barcelona.
Obiago.
I think last week I talk. I said their foundation they broken. See, if your club no good behind the scene, no go good for the scene.
At all.
Like outside, like financially, their boards right now, then they in a bad state with the way their wages, their salaries, their structure right now, they destroyed about Barcelona. And for the pitch, it can't show. The irony be say they no get coach. Koeman a very good coach, but Koeman are your average team coach. Koeman should not be coaching a big team. Like if in dead here, it's good. Now there in level take day because him to know if he manage the ego of players. Check in the change Barcelona team every week. Start this one today. Start this one tomorrow.
They do
Start this
trial
one
and
today.
error.
Start this one tomorrow. For like he did the
General
last
draw.
season. Now you never have one at least get like
a winning 11.
at least 5 or 6 players will go start every time. That's a confused coach. And also him today they help himself. Presky talks too much. Too much, like too much nonsense excuse.
We're supposed to
He dey
focus on the
like,
field of play.
It gets me very, very angry. So Barcelona,
It's good to let it out. Let it out. Let it out.
See,
Instead of keeping the
Jovita,
anger
Jovita,
inside.
Jovita,
Keep it waiting there in your mind. You
Jovita,
talk and make
Jovita,
everybody hear so
Jovita,
that if you spoil,
Jovita.
no spoil for your
You
hand.
get what in my daddy as a Wenger talk. As a Wenger talk, say when a team lose, say you as a coach, no be your own cry to go to the press conference after they talk too much. What you go do? The two things you go do, protect your team and your club. You as a coach. Then behind the scene, you settle them. Because so many things happen behind the scene. If you come out and criticize your player, those men, they are married, they are matured men.
Oh,
The
so
players
they are now married and matured men.
Get my point. They are not children.
Wahoo. But they cannot do anything on the field of play.
Points. Now,
No, it's from the points you are making that I'm bringing out things. So
I won't make
make
points.
points.
No, tell me your bias.
If
Tell me
na-
your
if na
bias.
no fit settle
Tell me
yourself.
your bias.
How?
You know me go settle us.
I am biased.
No, you're biased.
Do you know that is decent?
No, but you're biased. You're
Do you
biased.
know,
not
do you know that is decent?
No, it's
You
a
are
coach.
telling me that I am
It's a
biased.
coach that asks you, are you biased?
No, you say I'm biased.
You're biased.
This is-
Give
this
me
is
yellow
for you.
card.
This is
Like,
for
you
you.
just want to make a
Are you still talking or you want to make your point?
You're
Thank you.
biased.
Thank you. Moving on, Mokutana say yes for Carlo Ancelotti. That one, a first win for inside La Liga for El Clasico. Good one for Carlo Ancelotti. Hopefully, things go for well for him. Bucci don't talk plenty about Ronald Koeman. I hope say things go side better for him. For me, I am happy for Hala Madrid. From there, Moku Shapeli entered the European roundup at the big matches that will happen. And Sexy Joe for Jose Mourinho after he chopped 6-1. In go dry up, in no score against Napoli. But the truth of the matter, we say Napoli, their unbeaten record don't stop. But also, you want to talk say for Roma, they go need to do more if they want contest for that top 4 title or top 4 finish for inside Serie A.
definitely they're going to need to do more. At least Jose Mourinho don't get a feel of her in second coming for the Italian Serie A, and of course things don't change well, and more competition don't come. So the way we say they carry play against Napoli show you say yes. After that loss, where they lose 6-1 against that small Norwegian team. Now eye opener for Mourinho say now serious business 9 day on ground, and of course they try at least. What's come to us, at least then get point from this game, even though say they no score, but at least I don't open now. Say things they very
hard, and they need to knuckle down.
Exactly.
And but you go into the other big game for inside Italian Serie A, Juventus against Inter Milan. Inter Milan at them day out and then first score. Dzeko with a goal, but surprise, penalty.
Never.
Now they can't give them whether not penalty or not.
Never.
They check VR. Referee agreed.
Anthony Taylor.
Well.
I think Anthony Taylor. It worked for Italy. Because I watched that game, full 90 minutes. Inter are the best team in every way.
Yeah.
Inter dominates Juventus. Come be the last 2 minutes of the game, never a penalty. Yes, it was counter, but too soft, too small.
Too soft.
Never a penalty. At the vex, never. The referee taking time, they say, watch, can't get a penalty. No, it did very wrong. Because Inter puts everything. They lost their last game against Lazio. So the players want you to start leasing, and they give, that kind of Hokulu boy. Chapale Kolate. Xhaka. Like, these guys play well. Martinez play well. Fantastic play. If you want to just day in all confused states, honestly.
Yeah.
So I think they need to do something about the officiating for Italy. It's becoming very annoying.
Very annoying because even Jose Mourinho, the last time when he played, he still complained about the officiating for Serie A. In
Very
fact, this game when he played against Napoli, he collect red card, 2 yellow card, red card. Even Luciano Spalletti, himself, after the match, he collect his own. But in contact say the reason why in the club for the referee, I say they do very good work. But the referee don't see him that way. They still give him your red card. But we'll see as the Amatago go for inside that one. And sharply, a quick one, Sexy Joe on PSG against Marseille. Drab match for me. I would expect goals go at least for the two sides, Marseille, PSG, but nothing come out. Pochettino still no fee handle these big boys because he start with 4 attacking players. 4. Still no goal.
Structure.
Well, Pochettino carry your own style come, and if
He
you
get
feel
style.
say,
Does he
what
have
is
style?
make I talk now?
He don't get style now.
Now your style of play be that, and of course he carry and come PSG. Since we say PSG, feel say now him be the man to take them and go the promised land. Because before a
be
big
Joshua.
team like that go come carry coach, now be say they go don't make up their mind say in they carry them go somewhere. But then we don't begin to see cracks for inside the PSG team, and of course Marseille really exposed them well as far as that game they concerned. Maybe they go pick up from the next game, but for this one, it really shows say Pochettino know
You know what
do
Team Marseille do? See, this PSG match be like old Arsenal. The same Arsenal where you go let them dominate ball. You just chill. Then they dominate, you counter, you score. PSG hold the ball, but doing totally nothing with the ball.
Nonsense.
Nothing with the ball. Not Messi. Get what Messi can't even they frustrate. Like he was very frustrated. Neymar in own. I know when they do this Neymar this year. Don't be Neymar one no. I don't know. You know they play like Neymar one no normally. Like he tries to do too much. Like your foundation they very broken. Like they very disjointed, very disunited. Honestly, if you get this kind of stars, you as a coach put them together. It's very very easy. So when you get this kind of stars and you know people put them together.
Maybe Pochettino they talk, they agree here because they are superstars
Why?
themselves.
Get out now! Get out now!
So make it resign.
Come get out of here! I used to be. Get out!
They're not going to pay in gratuity.
No, get out! That's why this ego thing matters. See, it get you as a player who don't play. You enter team, players go respect you.
Moku talk about Nigerian players and talk about players and we score goal.
My name is
talk about Emmanuel Dennis,
My coaching CV.
Chidera Ejuke,
My coaching CV.
David
Big pass for
Okereke.
Pochettino team. My
Buchi,
coaching
remember you're on the yellow card.
It's my coaching TV.
You're on the
I
yellow
used to be a
card.
coach. Put it on.
Do your work,
You're on
oh.
the
My
yellow card.
coaching TV.
Do your work
Big pass.
now.
Yes, Nigeria star players Emmanuel Dennis, Chidera Ejuke, David Okereke, Taiwo Awoni, Leon Balogun scored during the week for their Europa League match where they play. He scored for Rangers. Peter Olayinka said score. But Sexy Jamaica, I start with you. Who will be your man, the king of goals for Nigeria over the week?
I go give am to Leon Balogun. And of
Because
course,
I'm a yellow boy now. And you're a racist. I don't select. I don't
Shebi I dey call Awoni now they take this all
No,
this
no,
Mondays.
you're racist.
Today I change it.
But I want to continue
what?
with
See
the
what?
story.
Now they talk. I say I get reason why I take
Look at
Leon
Captain now, the way
Balogun.
she smile.
Yes, Leon
No,
Balogun.
man, no
Sexily, like her name implies.
Nonsense.
Sexy Joe.
Nonsense.
So
Okay,
you are still
my bone face.
No, Leon Balogun.
Leon Balogun.
Thank you, Buchi.
Honestly, Emmanuel Dennis.
Surprise, they beat Everton
5-2.
I thought they dropped 5.
That match now.
They returned the favour.
Before Dennis, when he lost, Stefan enter na 2-2. He go enter Dennis change the game. Dennis and Joe
Inge Eleb
Pedro.
go, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, I think Eleb he get 1 pre-assist and 1 assist, and that in go very superiority. Take the player out, play some. He gets good game to prove to the new manager in the end in playing sport, and he play very very well. Honestly, for the inspiration, motivation. conclusion, Emmanuel Dennis.
And Shapali Moku go back to one-on-one, and the topic we're going to decide today, we're going to make these two gladiators, more or less, these two warriors,
don't call her gladiators.
made a quarter with their opinions now about Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. We know where Sexy Joe stand already. Sexy Joe, they support Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
Bam.
Say Ingas to stay, but Pucci no one agree. Say, no, this guy not be the kind of coach who was the coach Manchester United. So they need to make their points right now, right here, and tell us why then think say their points 9 day valid pass. I start with Bucci this time around because it be like anytime when I start with Jovita, she dey overtalk. So make I start with Bucci.
Thank you.
Bucci.
Thank you.
So Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, they need to sack him now.
Thank you, my honorable moderator.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yes, amen.
See, I think give you 2,000 reasons why Solskjaer not supposed to be in charge of Man U.
Okay.
On a good day, if this Man U owners then get ambition, Solskjaer almost like last season. If we dey very, very honest, what thing Solskjaer don't do? What thing with that improvement? No go tell me Solskjaer don't do for this Man United squad. What thing he don't do? What great thing has he done? The only thing Solskjaer they offer is just smile. That's the only thing he offers: smile and vibes. Like for the level then day, you bring in World Cup winner Varane. You bring one of the best players, Cristiano Ronaldo. You bring in Sancho. When they ball well for Borussia Dortmund, and Sancho cannot even ball now. Not even jog ball now. You lose 5-0 for home against Liverpool. You don't get pattern. Like, what else do you need logically? Man U fans, they go through trauma. Like, I saw a Man U fan cry. A married man cry yesterday. I'm not joking.
5 more seconds.
A married man cry yesterday. So if tears come out from the eyes of fans, what else do you want? Not be girl break your heart. ASAP.
Sack him now.
But if they want to they keep him, we'll still be happy. But professionally, you need to be sacked.
Only. Sexy Joe.
My brother.
Shout.
No, I'm taking it easy. This is already shop.
You
You don't go talk with you.
You don't get points.
All I got to say is make them allow Ole Gunnar Solskjaer doing work.
Which work?
Rather, the players should be held accountable.
Okay.
The players, you just talk and now, then bring World Cup. Show your class now.
Are they not showing their class?
Which kind of class then they show? You chop 5-0. And you expect say make the coach
But the World Cup,
take on the blame.
World Cup winner no play. You know start from the
Even
game,
if the World Cup winner no, you get Bruno Fernandes there. You get Cristiano Ronaldo. You get Rashford. You get Mason Greenwood. You get Lindelof. You get what they call Wan-Bissaka. You get David De Gea for go. You get the rest of them. What are we talking about? No be this same squad. They even though say they struggle, but at least then they win. You understand? No be Ole Gunnar Solskjaer fault. Those players need to also come to the table.
So maybe no sack Ole Gunnar Solskjaer.
Why they go sack him? They not supposed sack him.
They do the
They're
best.
not supposed. They're not even supposed to reach there. Now to sit them down, talk to the players. Now so Arsenal take do the other time. They bring Aubameyang as they don't win games. They win games so they lose. Now so Aubameyang call the players. Then sit down talk. Ronaldo na Syria winner.
Aubameyang who talk their talk? Let me share for you.
Aubameyang call the whole. They call themselves. They talk.
What's it change?
They call themselves. We don't see changes. What do you mean? Change is not there. Change is there. After that meeting, change is there. After that meeting, now they change. What if they worry that now? Old Trafford don't talk to theater of nightmare and bad dreams.
Thank you very
No,
much.
come sit down. Come and support you, the Glazers. Nanyuku Glazer. Come and sit down and support them.
Guys, we go wrap up the matter.
You wrap up what thing?
For this edition, Bucci don't tire. You don't get points
Ole
again.
Gunnar Solskjaer must stay there until season end.
Thank you, Sexy Joe. Remember to subscribe to our channel.
No, give a red card.
For Inside This Matter
come on.
here, based on say yes, if you get the same podcast on top any of your podcast platform, Spotify and the rest of them. Remember, click the notification button so that you go feel they get the notifications once we drop our video on top of this channel. Football Republic NG, Republic with the K. Don't forget. Till I enter on again next time. I do well. Now bye bye.